it's Mach, the pilot and commander of the F-35 demo team. Just want to wish you good luck, and I hope you become a pilot one day.
Bernie Vasquez returns to Earth with the P-51, and I direct your attention now to center and slightly to the right as the 4 World War II aircraft you saw take off earlier approach us.
Coming through his first maneuver was a 4-point roll, pitching up for Verno a little nervous, I believe. So no, Cuban 8 looks like he's going over the top of the Cuban 8. The Hopper Sea Fury features a 18-cylinder Bristol Centaurus engine, producing
I like to go fast, sometimes too fast.
And it's one of the last of the